Welcome to experiment number 3, our final mission together. Your model should be completed and painted like this. And you'll also need a phone or a tablet and an adult helper for this one.
Open a browser and type theplanetstoday.com. This site shows where every planet is right now. Match your model with your screen. First rotate Neptune, then Uranus, and keep going until all 8 planets line up. And remember, your screen will probably look a little bit different than what I have on this video. And that's just because you're looking at it on a different day. Feel free to pause here if you want to try it out yourself.
Awesome job! You just built, painted, and explored the entire solar system. Keep experimenting with the additional activities at the end of your booklet, and I'll see you at the next kit. Bye, Junior Engineer.